Redland.farm. We're going to do a video doing a little yolk test and a taste test. We got a goose egg, we got a turkey egg, we got a duck egg, and we have a chicken egg. And my wife's going to crack them for you and cook them up here. Let's do the goose egg first. Geese eggs are very difficult to crack. They're a really thick shell. Let's go. Come on, how do you crack them? We don't eat many goose eggs. Try to keep the yolk from breaking. That's a goose egg.
Whoa.
Let's do the turkey egg.
That's a double one. That's a big one. You don't have...
It's okay, he's fine. That's a turkey egg. All of our poultry are pasture raised. Our new feeding is whole grain fermented feed.
Duck egg.
Duck egg, that's a duck egg she's doing. And I'm trying to minimize the grains that they eat so that they could do more foraging. All these yolks are very rich. And that's a chicken egg. We have Rhode Island Reds and Ideal 236. The white ones, they lay white eggs. So all the eggs look like they got really rich yolk. And now let's cook them up. Put the goose egg on there first. It'll take the longest. My wife, she likes to cook in coconut oil. Tropical Traditions is the best, but we also started getting this Kirkland organic. So here goes the goose egg. The goose egg is a cooking. Let's do the turkey egg. You always cooking so much oil?
Well, it's gonna get stuck in there.
Okay.
Coconut oil's not bad. There's a duck egg.
I prefer to cook in iron skillet, but she likes the stainless steel one, so. And there's the chicken egg.